So the question is, if we are moving to S4HANA, that is fine. But if still we need this old data, okay, if we still need the old data, can we use it for the report purpose? So there are the two ways to it. Okay, there would be the two ways to it. One way would be that this legacy system still would be open for 2 to 3 years, although it would be blocked to do any transaction. But for the previous reports, if you want to see it, you would be able to go into the legacy system. Some specific IT users and some specific user would still have access to this legacy system. At least we wait for 2 to 3 years. Some companies wait for 5 years to have a complete dismantling of the legacy system. The another way which can be used for the reporting, that let's say you have a production reports, you have batch numbers, you have a hell lot of reports which is available there, and you say that I would be requiring these reports to making a future decisions, right? So when you need to make a future decision, whether I need a plant there, whether this product need to be continued, whether this product need to be replaced, whether I need to put a new distribution center in the particular regions, that kind of strategic decisions when you need a longer data, right? You need to analyze the data for last 10 years, 15 years data, you need to analyze it, and then you would be able to make your calls, right? So that approach can be done by taking this data and we bring this data into the BW. You would be bringing this data into the, okay, first we would be having a selected data that will notify to the BW team. BW team would be creating a summarize data cubes. And in this summarized data cubes, they would be bringing that data into the BW. So data, we also do this requirement gathering. Our BW team would be checking with the team that, okay, if out of these legacy data, what would be the thing which you will require? For what purpose you will require? So maybe not all the transaction history, but I say that, okay, at least I need that on the monthly basis for the different products. What kind of production I have done? What kind of customer returns I got it? Okay, that the total volume of the customer return for a product for a customer on the monthly basis. That monthly basis summarization of the data, monthly basis what sales I have done, what production I have done, what scrap I have generated, what returns I have done for a products, what procurement I have done, I need it. I'm not interested into the particular purchase order numbers, okay? But I need a summarized data so that I would be able to compare this data and I would be able to do my reporting and strategic decisions. I would be able to make it for my legacy data also, right? For that purpose, this summarized data, we bring it to the BW. And then we also use one more product. From this BW, we take this data for the analytics, and this we have done for a couple of clients into the BI. And on other hand, we also do it, we also bring the S4HANA data also into the BI. And from here, you can generate the reports, which can tell you your current data based on your current data in S4HANA and based on the historical data, which is coming from BW, Business Warehouse. You can combine them and you can generate your analytical reports or any dashboards if you want to say year-on-year trend from 2000. We have implemented S4HANA in 2020, but you want to show them that from 2005 to 2015 to 2020 year-on-year, what is the sales growth happens? That kind of data you would be able to do with this approach. So this is a data approach that how you can still use your reportings or how the reportings can still be built up from your legacy data, how legacy data can be used and combined with your current data for the reporting purpose. The architecture would be complex and few more products would be required for this, right? But this we have done for a couple of clients. So this is how the legacy data can be used for the reporting purpose for our with our Greenfield implementation project.